Hello my friend. Last time I showed you how to simply clean a very dirty gaming headset or stereo headphones. Today's patient is very dirty in-ear headphones, but this guide can also be used for earbuds or studio IMEs, so to speak, any small headphones that are inserted into the ears when used. To do this job, you'll need very simple things that can be found in any home. Some cosmetic cotton swabs, hydrogen peroxide disinfectant, and neighbor's toothbrush. To start cleaning, remove the headphone rubber earbud tips, first left and right side. Wipe the most of the dirt from the dust steel mesh. You just don't tell the neighbor that you took his brush for such work. Then, with the help of sharp object, scrape off earwax from both of headphones and other dirt from the steel mesh, but do it carefully without damaging the dust mesh itself. And again, rub with a toothbrush on both headphones mesh. As can be clearly seen, the pores of the sieve itself are still dirty and you won't be able to clean them with these two methods. If you're wondering why you should clean the headset at all, then the answer is simple. Very dirty in-ear or earbud headphones lose bass and start the problem of low volume issue. Only by cleaning them you can regain the good sound of your headphones. Soak both ends of the cotton swab with hydrogen peroxide. This product dissolves earwax dirt very well. Then with this wet cotton swab, clean dust steel mesh. You can first soak the side of both headphones lightly and then clean them when the earwax has softened. But the main thing is not to push it on too hard inside the headphone's body to prevent damage to the headphones. From time to time, replace the tips of cotton swab or the swabs themselves to clean the headphones faster. The sieve can also be cleaned occasionally with a fine brush. In this way, you can clean several circles, first with hydrogen peroxide swab and then with a fine brush. When the pores of sieve look clean, you can use a dry cotton swab to clean the mesh from excess moisture if any. The next step is to clean the tips of rubber earbuds, which can be done well with hydrogen peroxide stick and a soaked cotton pad. The same rubber tips can be turned out to the left. It will be more convenient to clean the inside of it. Then, with a soaked cotton pad, it is advisable to clean the body and cord of headphones themselves so that the headphones look like new. In the end, you have regained the original sound of your headphones and they aren't as disgusting as they were before. We hope you didn't get sick while watching and enjoying this video. As always, if you have any questions or good tips and tricks to suggest, be sure to post them in comment section. Thanks, and don't forget to like and subscribe, thus supporting us to create DIY tutorials. Bye and good luck.